This was a relatively brief court mention for 24-year-old Naveed Akram, but it was significant because it's the first time we've seen him appearing on a video link in court and also heard him speak. Now, the 24-year-old is facing 59 charges, including 15 counts of murder and 1 count of committing a terrorist attack over the shooting at Bondi Beach on December 14. He appeared from Goulburn Supermax jail on this video link. We saw him wearing a prison green jumper with short cropped hair and sitting in front of a table. He spoke only during this court mention to confirm that he had understood and heard a discussion about extending existing suppression orders in this case. Now, Kath, that's the reason why this brief mention was over in a matter of minutes. It was really only to extend the existing suppression orders. Those orders were first made just before Christmas, and they're designed to protect the identities of dozens of survivors who were injured during this attack, who don't want to tell their stories publicly, although the orders do contain a carve-out for those people to self-identify if they do want to speak about their experiences. So this mention was really only significant because we saw Naveed Akram for the first time on that video link from prison.
Now, Jamie, I believe that Naveed Akram's lawyer has spoken outside of court. What did he say?
Yeah, so Mr Akram is being represented by defence lawyer Ben Archbold, and we asked him about how his client's doing in custody and what kind of conditions he is facing. Mr Archbold told us he's doing as well as can be expected. He said he's being held in Goulburn Supermax, and as everybody knows, that is a jail which has quite onerous conditions. Let's have a listen to what he had to say when he was asked whether he had seen his client in person at Goulburn.
I have been to Goulburn and visited him.
And how did he seem to you on that visit?
He's just a client, and he's a client that needs to be represented, and we don't let our personal view get in the way of our professional obligations.
Now, Naveed Akram is yet to enter a plea. Mr Archbold told us it's far too early to know how this case is going to unfold. He said really today and recently has been just about beginning this lengthy court process. We also asked him whether his client has given a police interview, and he said he's really just starting this court process, so it's far too early to say. He said in April, when this case returns, he should by then have the brief of evidence, and he might have more to say then, Kath.
Jamie McKinnell, thank you for the update.